Good morning, children. Class 11. Let us start trigonometric functions, chapter 3. Some part of trigonometry you have done. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies triangles and the relationships between their sides and angles. Angle and their measurement. Degree. What's the meaning of degree? An angle is said to be of 1 degree, denoted by 1 degree if it is 1/360th part of a revolution. So one revolution is of 360 degree. Each degree is divided into 60 equal parts called minutes. Can be written as 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Each minute is further divided into 60 equal parts called seconds. Can be written as 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Now, angle can be measured in other way, that is called radian. The radian is the angle subtended by an arc of a circle that has the same length as the circle's radius. You can see here relation. Angle subtended by an arc of length r is 1 radian. Therefore, angle subtended by an arc of length 1 is 1 upon r radian. And then you can see here, angle subtended by an arc of length L is L by R radian. Therefore, what relation we have? Theta radian equal to L upon R, where theta is the angle subtended by an arc of length L at the center of circle of radius R. A circle whose radius is R, length of an arc is L. Therefore, that arc is making an angle at the center is called theta, which is in terms of radian. Now, relation between degree and radian. Theta can be written as L upon R, which you have seen here. L, if we are taking the total length of an arc of a circle, which is circumference is 2 pi r, then r cancel, that is 2 pi. Means angle can be written as in terms of radian, that is 2 pi. Angle subtended by the circle at the center is 360 degree, which implies 360 degree equal to 2 pi radian. Means angle at the center in terms of degree is 360 degree and it is 2 pi radian. Both are same. Example, convert the following into radian measure. We are converting these degrees in terms of radian. As we know that by above relation, 1 degree equal to pi upon 180 radian. By dividing 360 on both the sides, we will get pi upon 180 radian. Means this formula can be used for conversion of degree into radian. And what is theta given to you? 25 degree. Now let us multiply with 25 degree on both the sides. We will get here 25 into pi upon 180. By cancelling it, we are getting pi by 36 radian. Means angle which is in degree 25 degree can be written as 5 pi by 36 radian. Similarly, we can convert 120 degree. You can see here. Theta is 120 degree. And here we are multiplying pi by 180 to 120 degree. We are getting 2 pi by 3 radian. Means 120 degree can be written as 2 pi by 3 radian. So next is convert the following radian measure into the degree measure. Means again we are applying this formula, which is converting radian into degree. Here in first part, it is given to us 5 radian. The formula is used for conversion is 180 degree upon pi into 5 will become radian in terms of degree. In Denominator pi can be written as 22/7. By simplifying it, we are getting this degree. Means 5 radian can be written as in terms of this degree. Similarly, the second one is 5 pi by 3 radian. Again, multiplying by 180 upon pi degree, it will become 300 degree. Means an angle which is in terms of radian can be converted in terms of degree. So similarly, we can do many questions based on them. Exercise 3.1, question number 1 and 2 are based on them. You try yourself and we will discuss more questions based on them. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.